In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your YouTube TV free trial on Roku. If you've decided not to continue with the paid subscription after your trial ends, this guide will help you avoid any charges. Let's get started. To cancel your YouTube TV free trial on Roku, start by logging into your YouTube TV account at tv.youtube.com using a computer or smartphone. Roku itself doesn't handle subscription management. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and go to Settings. From there, navigate to the Membership section and select Manage Membership. Scroll down to find the option to cancel membership and follow the prompts to confirm your decision. You'll still have access to the service until the end of your free trial, but you won't be charged once it ends. Remember, canceling the subscription won't remove the YouTube TV app from your Roku device. You can do that manually if needed. If this video helped you learn how to cancel your YouTube TV free trial on Roku, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.